Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. This is our second strategy for today, and here we'll be trading the rise fall, and we are using the D trader. Let's quickly place one trade before I go into details. Let's place one trade. We are watching the last number. Okay, that's 053. Let's place one trade there. So we're going to be selling quickly once we hit profit. Okay, so we sold that. We made 1.55 there. So before we proceed with this strategy, for those who haven't ordered the TOUCHSCALPER bot, the version 6.4 is out and it's still very effective. For those who haven't ordered the bot, there is a link to order the bot. We've added so many payment options: USDT, ERC 20, USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Web Money, debit card, other payment options. On the order page, the bot is just 9.99 USD, and you can see some results today, 1st of March 2022. To order the bot, visit the order page www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the bot. The PIPSREAPER bot as well. This is the PIPSREAPER bot. Yeah, these are two different bots. They trade different pairs. The PIPSREAPER bot is 7.99 USD. To order the PIPSREAPER bot, visit binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can also make payment using the same payment options on the other pages: USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Web Money, Perfect Money, debit card, bank transfer, and all other payment options on the order page. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more updates. Subscribe to our channels, and here are the links again. We'll paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER bot, and this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. For written tutorials, visit our forum to read written tutorials. Check the binary option section there. Let's get back to the trading. As stated earlier, we'll be trading the rise and fall, and we're using the D trader. Bear in mind that rise and fall comes with much risk, but huge reward, because the profit is almost 100%. You can see right here, 95.33, 95.33. So first thing you need to do once you log into the deriv account, you go to the Volatility 10 index, you click on it, and then you go to the trade type here, you click on rise and fall, you set the minutes, you click on minutes, then you set this to 1, then your stake, you enter your stake, depends on what you have in your account. I entered 6 right there. So we are going to be watching these numbers, the last 3 numbers. Once it's from 90 downwards, as 90 to 1, we are going to be clicking on fall. Once it's from 90 to 1, we're going to be clicking on 4, and we're going to be selling once we are in profit. So that's 008 there. So the sell options will appear here. So once we're in profit, we're going to sell immediately. Note that this button will be available for a limited period of time. Okay, let's take more profit. That's 1.53 there. So you can see we sold that immediately. So you just watch the numbers again. Once the last 3 numbers here, you can see that's the last 3, 946. Once the last 3 number is from 90 downwards to 001, that's, you can see that's 96, 90 downward to 001. Then you can wait a bit for it to rebound. Rebounding means let it go up. Then you start watching the numbers again before you place another trade. Make sure you are clicking on 4. So let's place one more trade before we proceed to the next strategy. Let's wait for it to rebound, and let's watch the number. Once it's from 90 to 1. That's the last 3 numbers. You can see this 484. You have to wait. We are watching the last 3 numbers, not the last 2. That's the numbers after the dots. So let's watch again. That's 4193, 096. So 096 right there. Okay, let's do that. It's not bad. Okay, we made 0.55 there. That's not bad. That's 0.55. That's not bad. So it's just showing loss. It's not loss. You can see the profit we made there is 0.55. So because we didn't actually wait for you to hit more profit, so that's why. So let's close this. Let's close that. Okay, so you can go on and on and on. You can go on and on. Just watch carefully. Just watch carefully. Once you're in profit, just quickly click on the sell button before the sell button disappears. You quickly click on the sell button before it disappears. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more updates. Subscribe to our channels for more updates. Then for those who haven't purchased the boats, check the order pages to order the boats.